Anyway, for today's video, I'm gonna show and tell you guys what YouTubers usually do to make a quick video for their channel. Right after this. So, welcome back. If you're new here, please subscribe, hit the bell. Let's get started. One of the dances a lot of YouTubers do is they use B-roll footage. I feel like when they use B-roll footage, they really use it to their advantage. When they watch a video on YouTube, they don't want to be dozed off, and so I feel like using B-roll really helps that. And it's important to use many B-roll footage as you can if you make long videos and such. It always depends on what type of video you're making. Another one is you see a lot of YouTubers doing jump cuts for in so many different ways. It really helps people see their stuff editing that way. It's real simple. All I did was move one spot to the next, and even and some people also use jump cuts if they, see, that was an example of wanting to use a jump cut. I feel like that's if you don't, I did it again, but basically what happens is when YouTuber speaks on camera and they pause for a little moment and then they keep talking, I feel like them using that jump cut will really help them sound better and more efficiently and make the video go on smoothly. Another fun thing you can do either on the camera itself or the editing you're using is using the zoom in feature, because it really happens something is that a dramatic effect episode, and it makes the video more interesting that way. Another editing tip is that if you make the video if you already finished the video but you would have to put some stuff in there, like some more information about what the video making, just do this. But don't have it too long or too short, Another thing is to have text right here or an image of something here. Just for example, it's something that I use a lot. Another B-roll tip is to speak on the camera, or if you use a microphone or something, you use the audio. Use the audio from that clip, and then there's another clip you make of you just standing, of you just doing something, some sort of action or something to really help the B-roll as well. Use some PNG files as well. Another tip is use PNG photos as well. Maybe something you made, for example. Share this video as well if you find this helpful, and there's also more. And we also have to be careful with copyrighted images sometimes. That's not always the case, but some photos you can use like not images but like motion stuff like this or something. And then you see here, if I left it out, let me know in the comments below. I'll probably do an updated video about adding some time when a YouTuber does these tips. It really shows that they have effort in what they do for their channel. Thank you all for watching. Here's a playlist of YouTube related stuff here. Here's a video that YouTube recommends you enjoy. And subscribe right here.